I have seen marriages na because of different visions, yun ang pinaka-problema, yun ang conflict, source of conflict. So I wanted a woman, kasi I knew what God wanted me to do, to be a missionary.
Right.
And so my wife has to support my mission, the mission that God has given me, to the point na aangkinin na niya. She will embrace my mission, and it becomes a mission together. So that for me was very, very important. And at the same time, I also knew that, this is going to be a new mission for both of us, that we're going to build a family, that of course I'm going to prioritize our marriage. Hindi naman yung to the point na, the mission ni Lord, may trabaho ako, may outreach ako, sorry na lang, no, I knew that I was going to prioritize our marriage and our coming children. So that was very clear to me. But importante yun. So one of the things I loved about, maybe I'll describe a little bit the first year of our marriage, that what blew me away was, for her, especially, my finances was almost zero. And in fact, I told her that. I said, importante sa akin yung misis na tatanggapin niya ako na wala akong pera. And baka, I don't even know what's gonna happen. Sure, I'm gonna work hard and all of that, but I've got this allowance as a missionary.
Yeah.
And okay ka lang ba na simpleng-simple yung buhay natin? Tinanggap niya ako eh.
Wow.
Criteria ko yun eh.
Oo.
Criteria ko yun na tatanggapin niya yung buhay na simple.
Yeah.
No? May pagkain naman, pero it was gonna be very simple. So she accepted me for that, which was part of that criteria. And then in the first year of our marriage, simple nga yung buhay. We lived in an apartment, 2,500 rental. And then I was very busy. I was very busy because I was doing my mission work and at the same time trying to look for a second income. And so I'd go home late at night, and she, okay lang sa kanya. She said, I understand. You're doing a lot of things. Basta may date tayo once a week. So Tuesday nights was our date. And that's what I loved about her. She understood my work. She understood that I was trying to create a second income, as long as I gave her Tuesday nights. So, yun.